Welcome to this exciting discussion on the future of artificial intelligence and robotics and mining engineering. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics in the mining industry has become increasingly prevalent. These cutting-edge tools are revolutionizing various aspects of mining operations, from exploration and extraction to processing and safety management. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on the future of technology in various industries. 1. Autonomous mining equipment. Material handling. Caterpillar MineStar Command. Caterpillar's MineStar Command system is an advanced remote control and autonomous material handling solution for the mining industry. This system enables operators to control and monitor mining equipment from a remote location, increasing safety and efficiency. It includes features like semi-autonomous and fully autonomous control, machine health monitoring, and real-time production data analysis. Komatsu Electric Drive Haul Truck Fleet Management System. Komatsu's electric drive haul trucks, such as the 930 x 10 to the power of -5, are designed for efficient and sustainable mining operations. Their fleet management system, FMS, provides real-time visibility and control over truck performance, allowing for optimized production and reduced operating costs. Key features include dispatch optimization, machine health monitoring, and autonomous haulage system compatibility. Hitachi EH5000 AC3 Truck Fleet. The Hitachi EH5000 AC3 is a rigid-frame haul truck with advanced AC drive technology. It offers improved efficiency, reliability, and environmental performance for large-scale mining operations. Its fleet management system enables real-time monitoring of truck location, payload, and performance data, as well as integration with autonomous haulage systems. Scania AHS Autonomous Haulage System. Scania AHS is an autonomous haulage system for mining operations, designed to increase safety, productivity, and energy efficiency. This system includes advanced sensors, autonomous driving software, and real-time monitoring capabilities. It can be integrated with Scania's XT mining trucks and allows for both manned and unmanned operation. Autonomous drills in mining. The implementation of autonomous drilling systems in mining operations has been gaining momentum in recent years. Key industry players like Rio Tinto, Komatsu, and Epiroc have been at the forefront of this technological shift. These systems have been designed to improve safety, productivity, and efficiency in mining operations. Here are some examples. Epiroc's autonomous drills. Epiroc, a Swedish mining equipment manufacturer, has developed a range of autonomous drilling systems for various mining applications. Their Pit Viper drills, for instance, can be equipped with autonomous drilling capabilities, allowing for improved safety, productivity, and accuracy in mining operations. In 2021, Rio Tinto ordered Epiroc's autonomous drilling systems for their Pilbara mines, with a total investment of approximately $15.4 million. Advanced mining equipment and systems. The mining industry continuously adopts new technologies to improve safety, efficiency, and productivity. Some notable equipment and systems include MM220 Reef Miners Sandvik. The Sandvik MM220 is a compact mechanized reef miner designed for narrow vein mining operations. It offers high cutting performance and efficient material handling, providing a safe and productive alternative to conventional mining methods. The MM220's advanced automation features, including remote operation, allow miners to work from a safe distance and improve overall mining safety. Mobile Rhino 100 Raise Boring System. The Mobile Rhino 100 is a portable raise boring system developed by TRB Raise Borers. This system can quickly and efficiently drill vertical, inclined, or horizontal holes between two levels of a mine or underground construction site. Its mobility and flexibility make it a valuable tool for mining operations, as it can be easily moved between different locations and drilling sites. ABB Robotic Charger with Vision-Guided Navigation. ABB's robotic charging system is designed for underground mining operations, featuring a vision-guided robotic arm to locate pre-drilled holes and execute charging operations. This system allows for improved safety in underground mines. as it reduces the need for manual handling of explosives and allows for remote operation. The ABB robotic charger's vision system can accurately locate holes and adjust the charging process accordingly, ensuring precise and efficient execution. Additionally, its autonomous operation contributes to increased productivity and reduced downtime in underground mining operations. These advanced mining equipment and systems, including the Sandvik MM220, Mobile Rhino 100, and ABB robotic charger, demonstrate the mining industry's commitment to adopting innovative technologies that enhance safety, efficiency, and productivity in mining operations. Wrapping up, I would like to encourage all students at the Zimbabwe School of Mines to actively participate in the Robotics and AI Club. This is an excellent opportunity for us to learn, innovate, and potentially create something remarkable with the assistance of our dedicated club secretary. By engaging in these cutting-edge technologies, we can contribute to the future of mining operations and shape a safer, more efficient, and productive industry. Remember, every breakthrough starts with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Let's make the most of this platform to expand our knowledge and skills, and together, we can make a meaningful impact on the mining sector. Thank you for watching. This video was brought to you by Jaggernaut, Nyasha Shadambira.